What is the worst thing that has happened to you at a Dollar General? They ran out of your favorite snack? You waited in line for 20 minutes at the counter while the cashier was in the bathroom? Let's check out Body Cam Files' viral video entitled Karen Gets a Much Needed Reality Check and find out what went down.
Hi.
Hello?
I'm Sergeant Brown, UCPD. The reason I stopped is because you're not wearing your seatbelt. You have your license registration on you, ma'am.
I'm sorry, is that, I'm sorry. I just took my seatbelt off.
You didn't have her on.
Yes, I did.
Mm-mm.
Yes, I did.
Mm-mm.
Yes, I did.
Mm-mm.
You're gonna have to, I just took it off. I wear my seatbelt. Actually, I yell at everybody for not wearing their seatbelt.
I do believe that this woman, just from the title of the video, I do believe that she yells at people. I do. And also, I have tried this excuse with a police officer before, but once it was true.
Outstanding. You have your license on you, ma'am?
I'm not gonna do this morning.
Dude, we're not from here.
I know you guys from Michigan. I saw the tag. Do you have your passport on you or some sort of ID?
I left it at the house. It's not even on me.
Okay, no worries.
I got mine.
He's got his.
Okay. Do you have
I'm on my way to church right now.
Okay. Thanks, man.
Yep.
Do you actually have a DL?
What do you mean? I don't need a driver's license in America.
Uh-oh, that's right. That is right. You do not need a driver's license in America. I have a 13-year-old child who does not have a driver's license. She doesn't need one. She also doesn't drive a vehicle, Karen. Oh, I already know which way this is going.
Actually, just to be honest with you, I've already won this in court.
Fantastic.
Yeah, I was definitely wearing my seatbelt. We'll have to subpoena those videos.
What's your first name, ma'am? Ma'am, what's your first name?
What?
Your first name?
But I'm trying to figure out what crime I committed for you to ask me that.
Not wearing your seatbelt, ma'am.
That's not a crime.
Can we get some hype in the chat for the Superman strap on this cop's watch? I love it. I know I've told you guys this before, but when the police officer asks you for your name and you won't give it, there's two reasons why. Number one, you are completely out of your mind. I mean, you are straight crazy. And number two, there is a warrant for your arrest. That's it. Those are your only options. And if you think
there's not a warrant for my arrest, I just don't want to give my name,
guess what? You're straight crazy.
Traffic violation, ma'am.
It's actually a civil infraction.
Which I can pull you over for, yes.
No, I was wearing my seatbelt though. We're having a dispute here. I was wearing it, and you're saying
we're having a dispute here. So here,
you can't tell me I was not wearing it.
Can you settle down for a second here? Here's how it's going to play out. I'm going to verify everything, and I'm just going to cut you a traffic warning and be on my merry way. That was my whole plan.
Oh, my word!
Just to be honest with you, not to get into a long, drawn-out argument about whatever.
He's going to be so nice.
I'm just going to verify that you have a license or whatever that says you can drive in the state of the United States. Once that's clean and valid, I'm out of here. That is my plan. All right. What's your first name, Mama?
It's Dixie.
Dixie. Miss Dixie. Okay. And your birthday?
It's in August.
August what? 22nd?
Wow, I cannot wait to tell my professor this.
Okay, and the year?
We have to do all this over travel?
Yeah, because I don't have her DL or a passport.
I don't need a DL, but I just told you
You
that
need an
I won it in the
identification,
Supreme
though.
Court.
She did not win a case at the Supreme Court. Oh, my word. She hasn't won a case at a Supreme Pizza. This is ridiculous.
I don't have to
To
have an
verify your
identification.
identity, yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Okay, whatever you say, but I need. What's your date of birth?
Oh, 82.
82. Okay.
8282. Here's my passport.
Oh, perfect.
26. I was looking for my passport ID, but I only have my passport.
All right, thank you, Miss Dixie.
You're welcome.
Also, by any chance, do you have the registration?
This is my husband's truck.
Okay. Do you have the registration or anything that has a VIN on it?
We
Okay, no
do
worries.
things different.
I've never been pulled over before.
Wow. Okay, and guess what? You weren't pulled over this time. Dixie Karen was.
Okay.
Honestly.
Yeah, and I had my seatbelt on.
Okay, hang on. So all she has is her passport.
Well, the truck's not registered, so
It's not even registered. I can't even get anything back on the tag.
there's nothing for it. It's not registered.
Oh,
Great.
no. Okay, so the problem is, if they can't prove who owns the vehicle, the cops have every right to not let them leave in the vehicle. It's further problematic that she doesn't have a driver's license on her. Now, if she doesn't even have a driver's license, it's very much the case that a cop is likely to say, well, I'm not letting you leave here driving. Could switch it out for the husband if he has a driver's license, especially if it's his truck. But it's really problematic if you're not like a legal driver, can't prove that you're a legal driver, and no one can prove whose vehicle this is or what is actually happening right now.
Here's where we're at.
Step out over here real quick.
Found you. You don't have your license suspended. Out of
Mine?
Yeah. Can't find you, and we can't even find the truck. It's not even registered. So I'm gonna run the VIN real quick. Yeah. I mean, we have
like
access.
from
We have access
1900 miles
from.
away.
We have access in the database of all the states. But I'm gonna run the VIN and see what we get. That's where we're at. Hello.
What's going on?
How's it going?
This guy said he's gonna give us a warning so we can get to church. About to be late.
Did he just say, give me an effing warning so I can get to church? Is that what he said? What language are they using at this church though? Because we don't even use that language on YouTube. Usually, I mean, we try not to. He is a moron. She is a disruptive wearing socks on her head. That dude is full of
Unfortunately, whatever identification you guys are providing is not coming back. I don't know if he told you that.
He said,
a federal
you
ID.
can't find me, it's a federal ID.
I understand that, but you guys need to have at least a state
I'm
ID.
actually in Homeland Security school. I'm like going for my bachelor's associates. That's not true.
What are you talking about?
I understand that, but
I am in training to become a Homeland Security officer, and as a part of my training, I'm breaking every single law I possibly can on my way to church. That's basically what's happening.
you are required to have a driver's license.
No, you're not.
Okay.
That's
all right.
Title 18, Section 31, brother. I know what the words
He's a
are.
lawyer.
Okay.
Ha!
That's why we got a passport. It
I'm a
actually
lawyer
says on there
too!
it's Not detained.
And I've been pulled over
If I'm correct,
a
it
few
says not
different
detained.
times and never have a problem.
Miss Dixie.
I don't want to talk to you about the truck.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not finding it at all.
Well, I don't know what to tell you. They're on a paper system.
Okay.
And what is this guy talking about? A passport isn't an identification.
His formal identification is not a form for a licensed operator motor vehicle.
Yeah, but we're not a resident of the state of Florida.
You still have to have a licensed operator vehicle in the state of Florida.
Okay.
Go ahead,
okay.
Eustace.
I actually am getting my bachelor's associates in Homeland Security.
She did say bachelor's associate's degree for the second time. I'm not sure that she knows what program she's enrolled in, but I'm not actually that worried about that because I don't think she knows what program she's enrolled in, like in America either. Oh no!
First of all, that would be like calling somebody black the N-word. Yes, it is. Just ask me though, because
What? No. If you believe that you are a sovereign citizen, you have shown yourself to be an idiot. That's it. He's asking you to self-identify as a freaking moron. Just let him know if you are or you are not.
that's a discriminating comment. You just asked me if I was a sovereign citizen. Everybody is a sovereign. Why? I would like the OIC. Cody, why are you arresting me? Good, arrest me. I hope you arrest me. Call Kathy right now. Get my attorneys on the phone.
Wait, hold on. Why can this guy not be her attorney? He already said he was a lawyer. But also, why does she even need a lawyer? She's basically her own nation. I feel like she should just send one of her ambassadors from the country of Dixieland to be her lawyer in court. I don't understand why she needs to call Kathy.
Touch me. Okay.
All right, man.
Okay.
In traffic stop bingo right now, she is trying to get down where she can get a resisting arrest. She's got 4 of the 5 boxes checked already.
Okay. Okay. I'm not resisting anything. You just pulled me backwards.
Inside, watch your head.
I am pregnant. Can you fucking move the handcuffs? It is the law. You cannot handcuff me behind my back.
Thanks, guys.
I certainly got handcuffed behind my back. I don't know what law she's talking about, but I'd like to find out about it.
You cannot
My guys are not being aggressive. Your wife is taking things up a notch, unfortunately.
I get that.
But and this is where we're coming from. She doesn't have a driver's license.
She should.
Okay.
Agreed, she should.
No, she was driving. That's what I'm saying. I saw her drive.
I'm telling you, we're not driving. We're traveling.
Okay, you're traveling, whatever you want to call it. But she does not have a valid driver's license.
You are being calm.
So here's the deal. Now you're being charged resisting.
What?
You're being charged resisting as well. I'm not putting up
I
the.
resist. I was backwards. How can I resist?
Put your left foot in. Not lawfully obeying.
Okay, I don't understand these people who think that they can tell a police officer, you can't charge me with X, you can't charge me with Y. Look, you can go to court and tell the judge you had your seatbelt on. You can go tell the court I wasn't resisting. But you can't tell the police officer that. He doesn't care what you think. He's already made up his mind. That's why you're getting cited for it. It's like, what's that called? Simple?
To command.
What is the first command?
I told you to go to the car.
Why would you
Walk
put
over
me
here.
and detain me?
Because you're being arrested.
Your left foot
But
in
for
now.
what?
I already explained to you. Operating a motor vehicle in the state of Florida without a flowered
That
license.
is not your that is
Okay.
not a vehicle.
Watch your knee.
That'll be for your
My passport says
Foot
do
in
not
the side.
detain me.
Cody, let me ask you, I'm going to be honest with you, man.
Yeah.
Okay, let me ask you a question, okay? Are you guys like sovereign citizens?
No, of course not.
Okay.
We're just Americans that stand up for, our rights.
Okay, and I'm totally fine with that. I
Okay.
respect that, by all means. It's okay. I don't mean to like insult you by asking that question. But the certain language that was being used, it kind of had me like a little concerned.
Okay.
You guys are
I mean,
you guys are
sure.
traveling, but
Yeah.
you guys got to have a driver's license.
No,
You can have a passport and stuff for ID purposes.
In Florida. Yeah, it is for ID purposes.
For ID purposes, but for driving a motorized vehicle in the states, you need a driver's license.
This is an insane distinction without a difference that sovereign citizens and people who are closet sovereign citizens try to make, where they say that if you claim that you are traveling and not driving, that you don't need a driver's license. Cody, the lawyer here pictured in the passenger seat, does not need a driver's license, okay? He is a passenger. He is actually traveling. If you're driving, you're doing both. This is so dumb.
I don't need a driver's license to travel.
Yes, you do.
Ma'am, I have a female officer pat you down, make sure you don't have anything.
Okay, this is an
illegal on
abuse
your
of
person.
power, and
It's not
I
an
will
abuse
be.
of power,
It's okay. Let her pat
it's
me
our
down.
policy.
Let her pat me down. You can go ahead and pat me down,
Right
ma'am.
over here. There you go.
I have the right to remain silent,
yes.
and that's what I choose to do so from now on. You will not get my fingerprints. You will not get anything from me.
I love it that she knows her right to remain silent. I don't necessarily believe her that she's going to exercise it. This is Clown Town right here. Clown Town!
Do you have anything on you, guns, drugs?
No, I don't have anything on me. Anything. Anything.
Pat you down real
Go
quick.
ahead.
Do you have anything in your bra?
I don't have anything in my bra but
just
my
making
boobies. Oh my God, I cannot wait to file a lawsuit against the Eustis Police Department. You do not go to jail for traveling through the state of Florida.
You need a driver's license.
No, you do not.
cooperate with
No,
you.
I've already won that with section and case law. God, I'm in Homeland Security school. Are you guys kidding me? I could be a boss in another 3 years.
Oh,
It's in the middle of teaching me that this craft is craft. Cody, call Kathy. Tell her to get here now. My children are with somebody else, you stupid idiot.
I don't know who Kathy is, but if she's a lawyer, I think you guys already know this. Your lawyer does not want to meet you at your traffic stop, okay? Lawyers are good for being in their office. They're good for going to court. Ideally, go some time on the golf course, whatever. But don't call a lawyer to come to your traffic stop. There's nothing the lawyer can do. They can't be fact witnesses. They don't need to observe how you got arrested or anything like that. Don't try to bring them to the site. You need them back at the station.
I can't even believe you guys.
What's your knee?
What'd she do?
So they're trying to walk her to the car, and she's yelling and screaming and purposely tripped herself down on the ground to make it look like we were being physical.
Sovereign citizen?
Yeah, the terms that they're using. Traveling. I don't contract with the government. We don't need a driver's license. We have our passports. You guys are like on your high horse, like authority type. The language is all there.
Yeah, I noticed that. It's Sunday. People are supposed to be happy.
Not her.
She's far from happy right now.
I need you to take her to the PD.
She's in my car right now.
Oh, she is?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
I mean, what?
Trade places done. Now, if you want to have the
I'm
truck,
gonna
if
have
you want
it
the truck
towed to
moved
church,
to the
right?
church, you can do that with the tow truck company. Okay.
Do what? Yeah, I'm gonna call the tow truck company, but I still don't want them to remove my plate. That's my metal, man. Come on.
I have to. It's.
What do you mean?
It's not assigned to the truck. You have to have the tag and the vehicle registered together.
Show me.
Okay. If it's not registered, okay, you
Can you
cannot
show
be
me
driving
that?
this car.
Can you show? I'm not driving.
I'll have
This
one of
is
my
what I
officers
keep
show
on
you the
saying.
statute. Okay.
You can show me the statute, but I've already won this. If you look up my wife's name in the state of Florida, like 2 years ago, bro, we just went through this.
Okay.
In West Palm Beach, look it up. Everything dismissed. They tried giving her like 38 tickets.
How much you guys went out of that?
I think I settled for about 25,000.
25 mil? Thousand?
No, come on. I don't do all that. I'm not a greedy person. I just want people to know, like, instantly you're like the sovereign citizen thing. That's what everybody always goes to that. And then, I looked it up. A sovereign citizen is just a peace officer, man. It's just a civilian.
Everything he's saying sounds very, 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 very sovereign citizen-like right now. These guys did not create a law in Florida that you don't have to have a driver's license, and they did not get $25,000 from the West Palm Beach government for them violating the law and getting arrested for it. It didn't happen.
Listen to that, but there's no injured party here.
No, there isn't.
Nobody did anything to anybody or anything else.
and I like this.
You claimed that there wasn't a seatbelt. I said, there was a seatbelt. Maybe the shades or something, are seeing it. My wife's a little bit heftier. You know what I mean? So maybe
She's pregnant. I'd go easy on her.
It, man. You know what I mean?
It's really, really crazy that it started out with the officer merely wanting to warn her and then just escalated so hot. Hey, what'd you guys think about Dixie's behavior and her subsequent arrest? Is sovereign citizen really as bad as the N-word? Drop your pro se opinion down below in the comments and let me know what you think. And don't forget to travel or drive or whatever with or without a license down to the subscribe button and hit it. And I will see you very soon. On hold on, what's that thing?